So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Bissell Little Green Pro carpet cleaner and this Bissell Pet Pro Oxy urine eliminator solution. So I'm going to be putting this solution in this machine and we're going to be getting these stains out. So I really do love this machine. It's got a nice big tank for the dirty water. You're going to take it over to the sink and then we can take it out. But the nice thing is I can get inside here and clean that all out if I have to. Rotate the handle and then slide it back in. Around back, this is where the clean water is going to go. And this is where I'm going to be putting the solution. Take this off. We've got a water line. You're going to add 2 ounces of this solution to this water, and then you can put it back. The hose wraps around. We've got storage for the hose. We got storage for the cord over on this side. It's got a really nice long cord. It's got a very simple to operate. You're just going to press the button and turn it on. When I turn it on, I'll get solution out with pressure right here, and I'll have suction right here. Now this cleaning head is nice and heavy duty. It's made out of metal. So it's very, very heavy duty. So let's start cleaning the stain. Okay, so here I've got this filled up with water. It says to add 2 ounces. I'm going to be using the Pet Pro Oxy. I really do love this. I think it works really good on stains. Now the cap is a measuring cup. There's 2 lines in it. The first line is 2 ounces. The second line is 4 ounces. So we're going to be filling this up to the first line, which is about half, that's half the cup. I like that it has a nice little pouring spout on it. Again, this is concentrated solution. And we're going to pour it in here. You got to leave some room in here for the solution. Now this has a tube. We're just going to put it in here. Now the machine is ready to go. Put it in. I've got it plugged in. Here's my stains. I'm going to pre-treat it. I'm going to spray some solution out for a little bit, let it soak just a little bit, and then I'm going to go and start cleaning. Now when I clean, I'm going to be spraying solution as I clean, and at the very end, I'm not going to spray solution. I'm just going to do suction, try to get it as nice and dry as I can. Okay, so it did a really good job of cleaning these stains. I do think the solution helps, but it has really powerful suction. Now, when you're ready to clean your hose at the end, it's always nice. This is just a cup full of water. You can put this in there. It kind of cleans the whole chamber and everything, or you can take this off. I'm going to turn the machine on. I'm not going to spray the trigger. I'm just going to suck the water up. It's going to clean the hose, and that way you're ready to go for the next time. So let's turn it on. So after I'm done, I do let it air dry a little bit. Now, here's my dirty water tank. Simply lift it up. You can see I got lots of room for lots of dirty water. But again, the nice feature about this is I can take this lid off. I can empty this out, but sometimes this is going to get really stinky and messy. I'm going to be able to get a brush in there, get this all nice and clean so that it won't stink. Okay, so this retails for about $150. It is on sale on Amazon right now for about $140. I think that's a pretty good price. This is actually a really good cleaner. Now, they make several models that look almost identical. I think this one, they're calling it the Little Green Pro because this cord is definitely heavy duty. It's thicker, so it's probably gonna take more abuse. This is metal. That was, but everything else is, the handle here's plastic, this is plastic. It's got the same hose, but that is metal, so that should last a lot longer. Overall functionality's got the same. I'm gonna do a comparison with all the other, I think they're up to about 6 of these. They just have different colors. So this one's actually a really good cleaner. It's a good price. This is the solution. Even though it says for upright cleaners, it only required 2 ounces. So it worked perfect in here. It is a concentrate, so you just gotta make sure you dilute it. Yeah, form and functionality of this thing is really, really nice. Underneath the video, I will put a link to this. I did get this off of Amazon. I think it's for sale at Amazon and Walmart. So I'll put links to those. I am a Walmart and Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, the product won't cost you anymore, but I do get a commission from the sale. It is a way of supporting my channel. I bought this with my own money. The reason I bought it is because I want to compare it to the other models that are exactly like this. And I want to help you as a consumer, show you exactly how they're different. Which one should you get? Because this one may be on sale and there may be one that's $200 and it's exactly the same. A lot of times it's the attachments that are different. So I want to help you. Hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the thumbs up button. That really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, I hope this video helps. Again, if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.